How to delete Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Facebook account on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app and select Menu in the bottom menu. Once you get to the menu, simply select the gear in the top right, and this will open up the settings. Now all we need to do is select See More in Account Center. Then in Account Center, scroll down, and we just want to select Personal Details. Now in Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control, and then we just need to select Deactivation or Deletion. From there, select the account you want to delete, and then just select the second option for Delete Account. Keep in mind, this is going to permanently delete your Facebook account. So go ahead and select Continue. If you have any Facebook pages where you're the only admin on those pages, you can either transfer admin to someone else. Check the description, I have a tutorial going over that, or those pages will be deleted when you delete your Facebook account. So go ahead and select Continue, then give them a reason why you are deleting your Facebook account, and then select Continue. After that, simply select Continue. Then you'll have the option to deactivate your Facebook account and do some other things such as downloading all of your information, but go ahead and select Continue again at the bottom. Then all you need to do is enter your Facebook password, select Continue, and then your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.